the white in our flag stands for purity and peace. And those are the same sheets they have used to cover their heinous manhandling of someone who is protesting not for his own selfish gains but for the future of the country, for the students, because 22 lakh students have been affected.
Yeah, they'll block my video if I put up those graphics on YouTube. It is that bad. One of the darkest days in Indian history.
This is, I think, once in a lifetime opportunity for making a difference.
Instead of holding a conversation, this is what you would rather do? Gen Z.
Oh my God. You're fighting for what's right.
We are so proud of you. Out of these two groups,
Yeah.
who's the anti-national? Before we even get into all of this, how are we feeling?
Sad, depressed, hopeless.
Betrayed, angry,
Yeah.
let down. These are all the emotions I'm feeling. And anyway, before
Needless to say, we are talking about.
Yeah, the protests that are being held in Delhi right now, Jantar Mantar, and actually, in fact, there are protests being held all across the country
Yeah.
as we speak.
I
But-
went for one. Me and Dev went for one
Yeah, that's right.
in Shivaji Park
In Bombay.
in Bombay.
Yeah, that's right.
Luckily, it was a peaceful protest.
I wanted to clear something out.
Yeah.
I think we both stand on the same ground. We don't care about BJP.
Yeah.
We don't care about CJP. We don't care about Congress or any bloody party.
Yeah. It's not against a particular party.
It's not about them.
Yeah.
It's about the future of this country,
Yeah.
this country in general.
Yeah.
That's what we put first.
Correct.
That is why we are so angry after what has happened.
Correct. And
Okay.
it is beyond politics, it's for the nation. It is not a political agenda. If it was any other ruling party and the same thing happened
Yeah.
under their regime,
Yeah.
this is exactly how we would have reacted.
We'll get into details of what exactly happened
Yeah.
and the chain of events that followed.
Yeah.
But before that, I wanted to just clearly mention the students who were protesting.
Yeah.
What were all these people demanding? They were demanding accountability over repeated examination paper leaks,
Leaks, correct.
reform of the education system,
Yeah.
the resignation of the education minister, Dharmendra Pradhan, action on youth unemployment and related grievances.
Yeah. We were promised, I think, 2 crore employments. The youth was promised.
Yeah.
And that's not happened.
Yeah. I
So
mean,
even once you graduate, you don't have jobs. And then they call us unemployed cockroaches. And that's exactly why the CJP
Yeah.
became a party, became a group. That
Yeah,
came
exactly.
together.
That's why the CJP was formed.
Yes.
For whatever reasons. Now, maybe see, now again, I don't know about the hidden agendas and this, that, what people talk about.
Yeah.
I have no clue. All I care about what's happened.
Yeah.
And the demands were these.
Yeah.
Right?
So basic, right?
Yeah. Yeah. These were the demands of the entire protest.
Yes.
Sorry. Peaceful protest.
Protest. Yeah.
Okay. Where did the fuel get added to the fire? It was when Mr. Sonam Wangchuk,
Yeah.
he was entering his 20th or 21st day.
20th day.
20th day of his hunger strike.
Yeah.
Now he wanted to go to the parliament as well. He wanted to march.
Yeah.
They got even though he was
Yeah.
getting weak and stuff.
Yeah.
That's what he had clearly mentioned.
Yeah.
It was a peaceful protest.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, in a democratic country, it is the right of the people to protest peacefully. They have that right. It's the most
mentioned-
basic thing
yeah, it's
in a
mentioned
democracy.
in the constitution of our country.
Yeah.
It's written in it.
Exactly. So that their voices can be heard.
Yeah. Because
It's-
how else?
So that's what they were doing. Nothing wrong there.
Yeah.
Absolutely correct. What does the government do in response to something like this? What are their options? Hear them out,
Yeah.
start a conversation. No one is saying give in to their demands.
Yeah.
No one is saying get bullied.
Yeah.
If you think that they are on the right, maybe make some changes.
Yeah.
If they are wrong, tell them no, you're wrong.
Yeah.
And this so and so and so other reasons.
Give some reply.
Converse,
Yeah.
right? Instead of taking this path, what did the government choose to do? They chose to violently enter a peaceful protest.
Dressed up as civilians.
Absolutely. Dressed up as civilians. Now, why would you do that if it's not planned?
Yeah.
Okay. They break through the barrier. They go closer to the stage.
They put jammers.
They put, phone jammers so people can't reach people outside the premises. And this is all out there for people to check. I mean, this is not stuff that we are saying out of thin air.
Yeah.
You can cross-check all this information. They run onto stage. They pick him up against his wishes while
With
hugging-
a white bed sheet.
Yeah, so you
covering
can't
it.
see what's happening.
Yeah.
But before they even got there, they were pushing aside students and throwing them onto the ground
Yeah.
while getting there. Picked him up against his wishes, kidnapped him, put him
Spoke
in.
to him badly, huh? About something like that, they
Yeah,
said.
apparently that's what people are saying.
Yeah.
But I'm just trying to give the information that we are sure of that
yes.
happened.
Yes.
Put them in put him in an ambulance and took him to the hospital.
Yeah.
Now they're saying they did it for his medical. He was it was an order of the High Court.
Yeah.
Because of his, they wanted some immediate medical attention
Yeah.
to be given to him. But these are against his wishes.
Against his wishes.
He
That
did not
is-
want this to happen. Neither did his wife want this.
Yes.
In a peaceful protest, you have responded with violence
Hmm.
to begin with.
Yeah.
But could you have imagined that while we were sitting and seeing that
Yeah.
the nightmare was only just beginning?
Just beginning. I know what the ironic thing is, that the white in our flag stands for purity and peace.
Just
And those are
imagine.
the same sheets they have used to cover their heinous manhandling of someone who is protesting not for his own selfish gains but for the future of the country, for the students, because 22 lakh students have been affected. I mean, how else we are speaking about on social media?
In fact, good thing you mentioned social media. Social media, we've been getting our information every 5 minutes, every
Yeah.
10 minutes, a new video was being uploaded
Yes.
as it was happening. So we were literally almost getting live footage.
Yeah. Except for the protest, I think there too they had put jammers.
Yeah.
A lot of footage did not come out.
I think the max delay that I saw was around 1 hour, 2 hours,
Yeah.
because they were leaving the premises, uploading and coming back.
Yeah.
Right? But we were seeing it as it was unfolding.
Correct.
Let's just get into what happened first. Okay? They kidnapped Sonam Manch. I'm going to say kidnapped because it was against his wishes.
Yeah.
Okay?
Abducted?
And I think a few people thought that the protest might die down
Yeah.
because of this, because now the
He's-
guy they've come to support and all is not there anymore.
Yes. I think it only added more fuel to the fire.
It was the worst decision.
Yeah.
More people from all across the country flew down.
Yes.
People from every city in this country has stood up
Yes.
and hit the streets
Yeah.
against this.
Yeah.
And then the march started.
Yeah.
The peaceful march to the parliament.
Yeah.
Barricades everywhere.
They welded the barricades.
There's a lot more.
There's a lot more. Yeah.
So while they're walking,
Yeah.
nothing was happening. They are peaceful. These kids have flowers in their hands,
Yeah.
water bottles, tiffins, and school bags.
And also salt, because they knew that they might use tear gas, and they were distributing salt to each other so that will nullify the.
There
effect
is
of-
a major majority of that crowd that had no idea
Yeah.
tear gas is going to be used. They didn't even know this is what they're carrying in their hands
Yeah.
as peaceful protesters, and they're walking. You have met them with a lathi charge. You have beaten up parents of kids, and those kids that you have beaten up, boy, girl, man, woman,
You
was
didn't
not.
see anything.
They were not. Gender was not seen.
Yeah.
Male cops have beaten up young girls.
Yeah.
From the ages of 12 onwards,
Yeah.
12, 13, 14, 15-year-old girls were beaten up, their clothes were torn, and they were trampled upon.
Yeah.
Their heads were split open.
The doctors who came just to be there to assist, they were trampled on as well. They were
beaten
affected.
up.
They were beaten
They
up.
joined the protest. They came to help the people. This was your response to a peaceful protest. And what are they asking for? For proper education?
Yeah.
For a good educational system?
Yeah.
For the future of that is the future of the country that
You
you've
know,
just beaten up.
I just feel, first of all, let's make it very clear. Every competitive exam that happens in India, the syllabus is so vast. Children have to study for 12 to 14 hours a day. And that happens for years. And then you leak the paper. The ratio of the number of seats available
Yeah.
versus the number of students applying for those exams
Yeah.
is so disproportionate, like it
Correct.
almost crushes your soul. जो
Absolutely.
बाहर जाके पढ़ सकते हैं, जिनके पास पैसा है, they will leave.
Yeah.
Right? The ones who can't, which is the majority of our population, have to sit for these exams.
Yeah.
That itself is disheartening.
Yeah.
Now you talk about the leak of the papers. It just adds another level of disgust, shame, and these are, you're going to be doctors.
Yeah.
It's not even like they're, regular jobs or like people who will probably fit into multinational companies. I'm not talking about which job is better than the other, but it's for such a noble cause.
Yeah.
There's a girl in the protester, her heart has broken. She's like, I was supposed to give my UPSC exams, but the way I see these cops, I don't want to be one of them.
Yeah. Yeah. I remember this.
Yeah,
I
she
saw
said,
this.
so you're telling me I have to study
Yeah.
and then work with these people who have
I
no
think
heart?
her exact sentence was,
अब नहीं बनना है,
अब मन नहीं कर
अब
रहा.
मन नहीं कर रहा. And you
I
can
remember
see
this.
her trembling her, and it's such a shameful.
That was her dream. There was another kid that didn't get through because of the leaks and stuff.
And look what he wanted to do.
And someone asked him what his dream was, and he's crying and he's sobbing and he says, "My dream was to become a researcher,
Yeah.
and I wanted to create something that if you put into the rivers of India, it auto cleans the rivers."
Yeah.
That was his dream, which has been shattered because of this. And all the people who, I don't know if there are such people, but if there are people who think, so what's the big deal? Yeah, some papers got leaked and this happened and whatnot. If
Those
they think
people are
that way,
completely disconnected or very privileged.
the only people who will think that way are the people that this is not happening to.
No, or they're the ones who are a part of this. They're a part of this.
Yeah, I mean, I don't think they understand the gravity of it. Like, for example, tomorrow, they don't know this yet, but tomorrow something happens to someone in their family.
Yeah.
And they want to take that person to a hospital.
Yeah.
After seeing this, you don't even know if the surgeon who's going to be coming after you're taking care of your family member
Yeah.
actually has sat for his exams, has studied and gotten there, or he has just been given that position.
Correct. And that's what I'm saying. Like, I think people go for protests and they only participate in these things when they feel like they are going to be affected or they are affected.
Yeah.
I think those people are so disconnected that they think हमको नहीं होने वाला है. Fine, if you might escape the country, your parents are still here, your relatives are still here. Are you not looking at the bigger picture?
Yeah.
Not one minister's child is studying in this country.
They're all outside.
They're all outside.
Yeah, but forget ministers, celebrities, this, that, everyone sends their children outside to study.
And you know what I just realized just a few days back in our building, I was talking to parents who have very young children, small children, they're in probably playgroup and all. And they don't we don't even have the concept of sending kids to public schools.
Yeah.
Because in India, public schools are, remember we went to Europe and private schools is for the elite.
Yeah.
For the ministers, for the actors and celebrities and their children.
Yeah.
Everyone goes to public, normal government schools.
Yeah.
Because they're worth going to. The education system, the infrastructure, everything is great.
Correct.
The prices, the cost that I've heard of these parents paying for their children is appalling in private schools.
Yeah.
So you either have children and you send them to public schools where the education is crap in our country, or you have to really have so much money that you can afford
And
private schools.
And who has that money?
It's either that or this.
Exactly.
The middle class, you say, they're again screwed. And because we have to work and manage this entire lifestyle of us, homeschooling is not an option only. Yeah. So it's just it's so bleak and it's affecting everyone. But the tone deafness of the current government is just horrendous.
The tone deafness has been put on proper display yesterday. Today is the second day of the protest as we're recording this video.
Yes.
And the cops are already there with their sticks and ready to
and the sticks have
start the
nails.
nonsense again. That was yesterday. We actually caught some cop on camera. Yeah, today is the 21st of July, just in case.
One day after the first protest that happened.
One day after what we can very safely now call one of the darkest days in Indian history. Okay?
Yeah.
There are cops that have sticks with nails in it. That video came out. And there's a guy who we found in a hospital, literally with puncture marks all over his body. They'll block my video if I put up those graphics on YouTube. It is that bad. And okay, let me ask you a question. I was just thinking yesterday, seeing all this. For hours and hours, the videos just kept coming. Wait a minute. I'm getting all my information right now from social media directly because there are people who are at the protest and they're posting it. So sab dikh raha hai clearly, right? So I went on to news channels to check wahan pe kya ho raha hai, and I'm like, wait a minute. Why isn't it even being mentioned in the news?
I can't believe how the journalists have sold their souls.
So it was a question mark and I couldn't understand why. I'm like, okay, the news channel is normally right on spot, right on time, covering the whole incident, breaking news. Where are they suddenly? I'm like, they can't be silent over such a matter. Then came the best part. The next day, they suddenly put the coverage out there. And what is their coverage? They vandalized cars. Cops were hurt and
stones were being thrown.
Stones were being thrown. So this was what they were saying. So what they've done is they've completely flipped the narrative.
Yeah.
So that is why they took that time to get their narrative, their story in order.
Yeah.
Now the funny part is, remember what videos we saw? One day before the protest?
Yeah, there were trucks that were loaded with
Yes.
stones and
Yeah.
they were all prepared.
There were people on the streets in the night near the protest, like the place where they were in Jantar Mantar.
Jantar Mantar.
Correct. They were walking around and they're like, why? Suddenly, what are all these trucks doing over here? They didn't know where the trucks came from. And when they looked into the trucks, they were just filled with stones from top to bottom.
Yeah.
Not only this, the cops were bringing already smashed and broken cars, the windows smashed, onto the street and placing them
They're placing it like they're ready to shoot a sequence for a movie.
in
like a
strategic
set.
areas.
Yeah.
So because they knew ye hoga, they knew this is how they're going to retaliate.
Yeah.
And this will be their excuse. It is that well thought of. And you're imagine you are going so far. I mean, instead of holding a conversation,
Yeah.
this is what you would rather do.
Maybe because if you, like we all know, that if you do this one thing, there's so many other things in our country which are so screwed right now that people
They will have to
demand.
talk about it. Well, guess what? Instead of just having a nice, comfortable conversation about this with the students, with the kids, with the citizens of your own country, instead of having that conversation, you have done this. And what has this done now? Now, those demands that they had, conversation would have probably helped.
Yeah.
But after what you have
Oh
done,
my God.
now you have no option.
Yeah. Now it's
Now
going
it
to
is
be
a
more.
demand.
Yeah, it is going to be more polarized.
Now there's no conversation.
No
You've
way.
destroyed that chance.
Yeah.
Apparently, in the middle of the protest, this JP Nadda, this guy.
Oh yeah, the Haryanvi guy.
No, he's another minister. He met with the two of those leaders from CJP in the middle of the protest.
Oh yeah,
That's where
the
they had
union
gone.
minister, I think, or some minister.
So he said, "Come, let's have a talk." And they said, "Okay, big win now. A minister at least wants to meet us." They met. 4 hours they sat over there.
Oh my God.
And for 4 hours there was no resolution. There was no promise made. There was nothing of that sort done. All he did was hear them out. Okay, I understand. I hear you. I hear you. I hear you. So after those two left that place, they said, we put our demands forward. He said, I hear you. But whether he will do something or not, that has
Oh
not
my
been said.
God.
Okay? Like, okay, you have two sides to this. Okay? I'm just going to ask you a question. Because this really triggers me. There's a group of people,
Yeah.
okay, who are requesting things for the future of this country. Okay, for the betterment of this country. And they are peacefully asking the government to have a conversation
Yeah.
and to get that change,
Yeah.
you know. And there's another group that sees these people
Yeah.
and beats them up almost to death,
Yeah.
breaks their bones,
Yeah.
makes them bleed.
Yeah.
And in that group that they're beating up, there are little school children
Yeah.
with school bags and water
Yeah.
bottles in their hand.
Yeah.
Out of these two groups,
Yeah.
I'm sorry, one sec.
Yeah, I know it is. It doesn't feel like it's a part of our lives. I know.
Out of these two groups,
Yeah.
who's the anti-national?
So of course, we, the ones who are for this change, as per the Andhbhakts,
They're calling these kids terrorists.
and they're saying they're planted. We are getting funding from outside. This is, I don't know what level of brainwashing has happened to these people. It is just,
Just yesterday, I was paying my GST.
oh God. And you wonder where that money is
My GST, I'm paying my GST and I'm literally thinking in my head, wow, this is going into funding the tear gas that's going to be used on our kids.
going.
Can you imagine that horrific feeling? Tear gas. They have used police and the Rapid Action Force, military people, army.
I was shocked to see Rapid Action Force. Like I did not expect that.
There are people with guns. You're pointing guns in
Yeah.
case they
Just in
cross
case.
over and come inside, but they are your people. You have turned the people who are supposed to keep this country safe against its citizens.
Yeah. And label them as terrorists. I mean, do they even realize the words they're using?
If there are people out there who are still buying the narrative of what is being pushed out there about these people being funded from abroad or whatever it is, buy it. I don't care. Believe it. But believe your eyes as well.
No, but you know what? That's the thing. So
Does it justify
So when I
beating
put
up young kids?
No, so when I put up the post on my social media, you know how the algorithm works, right? It only shows you things that you want to see. So there was this one guy who sent a reel from the opposite side. And
Hmm.
you know
Yeah.
that this guy is funded. There's a picture of them with Umar
Yes,
Khalid
correct.
and all of that. And I'm
Correct.
like, oh, so those people are only
Correct.
getting this content on their page.
Correct.
Now I don't know.
See, even with Sonam Wangchuk,
Yeah.
you know, they had all these things about him.
Chinese guy, Chinese
Chinese
terrorist.
agent hai, fraud hai. We don't know his intentions. His intentions are not correct. You know, whatever. He has hidden agendas. Okay, that's what you're saying. There's no proof of it, but it's what you're saying.
Yeah.
But if that is what you want the citizens of your country to understand,
Yeah.
कि bro, the person you are standing by is this person. The way you respond is not by kidnapping him and throwing in a ambulance. The way you respond is start a conversation with him, put him in the spotlight,
Yeah.
expose him in front of the whole country, show the whole country what kind of a guy
But
he
that's
is,
the thing.
and prove कि ये ऐसा आदमी है.
Yeah. I just wanted to say one thing.
Yeah,
Some protests happen on a weekend and people can show up.
yeah.
The rest days, people are trying to protest on a work day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, whenever. People have colleges, people have schools, people have jobs, people are on daily wages. I think it requires a sacrifice. I think today, everyone who is standing for this cause has some price to pay. My price of paying for it is I became extremely vocal, and I will continue to stay vocal on my page, and I've lost 10,000 followers.
And you are
That makes me feel like our brands will look at the following and our budgets get decided then and there.
But what matters more?
That's the thing. So even if you have to take a leave from work, or you have to let people know, we all are making sacrifices. We all are losing money
Yeah.
because of what is happening. But
You-
I think it's required right
You
now.
voiced your opinion. You took a stand.
Yeah.
Knowing what's going to happen.
Yeah,
knowing you
just-
will lose followers, which is the bread and butter for a creator.
Yes, it is.
I am so proud of you. You can't even imagine.
Yeah, I know, but it's just everyone is paying at their own scale.
Yeah, so see, with the way things are today,
Yeah.
clear now, it's out in the open.
Yeah.
There's no two ways about what's
No
happening.
chance.
Okay? If there is a person out there who's still quiet, because it's become very clear right now that
Yeah.
no one's coming to help us.
I have actively gone and unfollowed pages where people, or even creators, fellow creators, where I'm like, not a word. I don't really care to engage with you ever again.
Yeah. So it's clear
Yeah.
that no one is coming to help us.
Yeah.
We only have each other.
Yeah, 100%.
And if we do not stand up and say something today, we will be forced to forever hold our peace.
Yeah.
And we will have no one to blame but ourselves.
Yeah, correct. This is, I think, once in a lifetime opportunity for
Yeah.
making a difference.
Yeah.
And it's only and only because of social media. Like, you have to give it up because this level of communication and transparency was never there.
Yeah, absolutely. Whatever the reasons might be,
Yeah.
whatever could have triggered the government, whatever it is, you never,
Yeah.
never, ever beat up and get them close to death the little kids of your
Children.
own nation. You never do that. You have crossed the line so bad.
You know what I want? I really want people, no matter what content and no matter how big of a creator you are or you're not a creator, you just have a social media profile, I don't care. Record, put up your opinions on
It's a
this
sincere request.
and tag international media houses because that is
Absolutely.
what we need. We need the government to face global embarrassment.
Yes.
Because that's all they care about.
Not just global embarrassment, but this should go out into the world because यहाँ पे in the country
Yeah.
we're not getting any help.
We're not getting any
The
help. From
people who are
inside, we're not.
the people who are supposed to help us, we are getting scared from.
Yeah. And you know what I feel sad? Like, I understand the opposition parties who are coming like hawks. Because this is their opportunity.
Yeah.
But I also know a Congress had looted us for the longest time.
See, that's what I'm saying, Kanu. See,
It's not about a political party.
I mentioned that at the top of this
Correct.
conversation. I don't care about BJP. I don't care about Congress. Even the guys who started this movement, CJP, I don't care because I don't know what their future is and what happens if they come to power
But
and how
they
they will
got-
be. I don't know.
Yeah.
I only know what has happened yesterday and what is continuing to happen today.
Yeah.
By the way, can we please give a nice round of applause to Gen Z? Gen
Oh
Z,
my God.
I'm sorry if I ever called you lazy.
You guys have really shown what you're doing.
Yeah.
You people are holding protests all over the world. You're fighting for what's right. You guys know what you want. We did not do as much.
Yeah.
But we are supporting you all as millennials.
You guys are the future. You guys took such a stand. We are so proud of you. You
Never
guys are youth.
ever you're going to hear like a dig at Gen Zs because
I
that
am never going to make a dig at Gen Z.
Yeah.
All your lingo, all
Everything.
your slang, I will learn it by heart, it inside out. I'm so sorry. I will never say a bad word against Gen Z ever again.
Ever.
Thank you guys. We owe you so much.
yeah.
Okay? That was for you guys.
In the darkest times, I think the silver lining for me personally is I have never felt this patriotic in my life.
This is what brings countries together.
Exactly. Like we watched Rang De Basanti, we watched all these celebrities who are absolutely quiet right now, pretending to play a role and do biopics of, all of this.
Thank you for bringing up a very
Oh my God.
interesting point.
I know. But that's
So,
what I'm saying. You see
see-
movies, you see there was an India-Pakistan attack that happened last year. Yes, but this first-hand level of patriotism, like I remember
Yeah.
when Dave, me and my sister, we went for the protest. They sang the national anthem. There was Vande Mataram that was being sung. And I had legit goosebumps. And I was like
Yeah.
trembling and
Yeah.
those emotions because you're understanding the love for your country. Like it was just something else. I don't think I have felt this love for my country ever. Like we are fighting and we are doing this because
Yeah.
we give a shit. There's so many DMs I get every day where people are like, you have the money.
How anti-national of you.
But like we were told, I'm told like in my DMs that you guys have the money, you can leave. And people are actively saying that, you know what, you there are the protests, परेशान हो गए हैं, जिनके पास पैसा है, जो कर सकते हैं, निकल जाओ देश से.
But see, listen.
It's our country.
If every person starts thinking that if I do something, like if one person does something, nothing changes.
Yeah, we are so many right now.
Yeah, so if they think that if one person doing something changes nothing changes.
Nothing changes.
Everyone has to stand up and do something right now. And okay, as we end this topic, right before we end it, I wanted to ask you, because you brought it up just now, it's irritating me. There's no celebrity, cricketer, anyone who has voiced, like I think apart from a handful.
Yeah, no
Right?
cricketer. I am Sir Mr. Prakash, sir, for the fact that you have stood in the protests and been there. Massive respect.
Yes,
Can we please elect people like this? Can they please take over?
Yeah.
Shabana Azmi, at this age, you have come to the protest and
Yeah.
you have been there the whole time.
To everyone,
Oh my
to
God.
everyone at those protests, we owe you and like an unimaginable debt. And this is what you've done is this country needed that. There are a lot of these celebrities who
First, I don't want to use this word for them anymore.
yeah.
I
So
don't
I'm,
want
I'm
to give
seeing
them-
I'm seeing a lot of accounts everywhere saying unfollow this person, unfollow that person because they haven't stood up for the country when they needed the most. So what the outcry of the people is what? When you release a movie,
You'll come begging for promotions.
You rely on that on the youth of this country to come in and fill those theaters and earn your money so your movie does well. But when the same youth of the country needs you to stand up for them,
Goes to
you
show.
are nowhere. Now the reasons definitely because you're afraid of how the government will react to you or
Hey, half of them are invited by Ambani's for the wedding, bro.
yeah, exactly.
Who is going to stand up when you know who's in whose pocket?
So that's what now people are also saying. You're scared that this will happen, that will happen. You will lose this, you will lose that. Some people are saying you have all the money in the bloody world. How much more money do you need? Stop that right now and stand up for your country. Now it's all nuanced. There's a lot of it over here. I'm not siding by what the celebrities are doing at all. I'm not liking it, but I don't know what I'd do if I was in that position as well.
Well, I'll tell you.
Because you have so much more to
no,
lose.
but 1 second, hold on, Rohit. You have Hollywood where you have Mark Ruffalo, you have Eminem, you have so many people who have the fucking balls. Enough with this. Feeling scared. If you're scared of losing a fucking movie, what is Sonakshi Singh doing? She's making own vlogs.
You're right,
Take things in
actually,
your hands. What the fuck are you
There
scared
is
about?
no reason to not talk about
There is no fuck. This is your fucking country. You
the
do not
kids
have.
that are getting beaten in
No
your country. I mean,
chance.
if you can't stand up and speak about that,
Their contribution is to
you
make
will
bucks.
never stand for anything.
Nothing. And their contribution is to make money and to fuck off to other countries. And that's exactly what 90%
It's a
of them are
shame.
doing.
It's a shame.
My only 2 cents before we end this is that please remember what happened yesterday, what is happening. When you see another actor coming to promote, when you see another event where they're
Yeah.
like, oh, they're going to come over here because of whatever, please know, please be aware of their intentions and how they've let you down.
Yeah.
Please, that's how you can make a difference. Otherwise, these people are thick-skinned. They're not going to really care. It
Correct.
boils my blood, but
I know.
It's
I mean,
so
we've
triggering.
been boiling since the past 2 days. I don't know how many
And
more days
I'm
we're going to keep boiling for.
For those who know, the kind of DMs, the kind of I mean, it's needless to say how much hatred there is. We are facing the brunt of it. He's facing the brunt of it. We are, but this is our bread and butter too. But I know.
Yeah,
Oh,
absolutely. Once
I
this
know.
goes out, we'll be facing the brunt of
Yeah.
it. Yeah.
Yeah.
But
What you gonna do?
what are you going to do? I mean, there were people in the protest asking a girl, and one of those paid medias, asking this young girl, and my God, she got a round of applause for her answer. She was asked by this person, "Were you affected by the paper leaks?" She like, "नहीं." And मैं था तो फिर आप क्यों हो यहाँ पे?
Yeah, she spoke about.
And she like, hang on. If a girl gets essayed somewhere else, I should not go for the protest? Do I also have to get essayed to be there?
It's a shame.
Simple logic or not? So the questions are only coming from a point of view where they want to put those people down.
No, but 1 second. For this protest, everyone is affected. The students, the people who will be visiting these future doctors, everyone is affected. So I don't understand how you can exclude yourself from
Yeah.
this whole
yeah,
issue.
You'll be old tomorrow. You might not even be here tomorrow, but the people who will be there are the people
You
in
will
the
have-
protest who you have beaten up.
Yeah, and you will have children now. Or ठीक है, even if you don't think of having children because now you know we are doomed, तो फिर तुम डॉक्टर के पास तो कभी जाओगे ना?
There's lots to say. There's lots inside of us.
Yeah.
I completely understand.
Yeah.
But I just want to leave people out there with one thought. Okay? The people in this country have gotten something very backwards. The government and some of the people. The government is not our boss. They don't own us. And they are not the ones in power. We elect them. We pay their salaries. We are their boss. If the people we elect, the people we have chosen, they fail to do what they promised they would do before getting that job, as their employer, we have the basic right to question them. And if they still can't do their job, we have the right to fire them. That is what this country is built on. That's what a democracy is. I hope that opened a few people's eyes at least. Because now more than ever, we need you. We need all of you.
And this is never going to happen ever again. It's literally now or never.
Yeah.
India is the mother of democracy.
यहाँ पे हाथ उठा रहे लोग पीसफुल मार्च करने के कह रहे थे ये एक बेसिक राइट के लिए हमें इतना लड़ना पड़ रहा है
इतना कैसे बाहर आए हैं भैया एक आदमी को सर फोड़ दिया भैया
हाँ मैं 16 साल का हूँ मेरे ऊपर मतलब लाठीचार्ज हुआ मेरे को 2-3 डंडे लगातार मारे गए मेरी गलती यही है कि मैं मतलब देश का भला चाहता हूँ इसलिए मुझे डंडे मारे जा रहे हैं
पुलिस वाली कह रही जल्दी ले जा मतलब थाने में ले जाके नंगा करके मारेंगे पेशेंट के ऊपर लेटा हुआ उसकी हड्डी टूटी हुई है वो बेहोश पेशेंट के ऊपर चढ़ के गए उन्हें डंडा मारा मेरी आंखों के सामने
लाठीचार्ज क्या कर रहे हो आप